I was told about this with instructions that this is Advent, that it's all closed up and numbered, and that I'm not to open anything until the number corresponds the date. So today is the 1st of December and it arrived today. Very handy. So when I get this open, I am looking for number 1. $13, 14, 9, cracker. Has the cracker got a number on it? No. It's a nice cracker. I shouldn't do that. 8, 10. It's going to take me ages to find number 1. 21, 7. There's little notes on them all as well. Oh, that one got crushed. I'm not looking, but it got crushed. Number 11, 15, 6. I'm trying not to read the notes. 12, 3rd, 8, 2. That's tomorrow's. Number 1. Okay, I'm putting everything back in the box. I've got number 1. Number 1. There's a lot of rattly things. A lot of rattly things. Number 1 says, thought we'd start with a good one. Number 1. So this is from Antionette. 2 OGs, hook in and a stitch in, Ireland style. She's over on Deer Island. Silkada, find yourself in it. Oh, look. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Have I shown my bracelet collection yet? I've never seen a bracelet like that. Like, it's metal, but it's got like elastic running through it. Oh, it's tight. Oh, and it's silver. I only like silver. Oh, and it's hallmarked sterling silver from Italy. Number 1 makes me want to swear. Instead, I'll just go bleeding heck. So guess what I'll be wearing through December? Because it ain't coming off. Not through December. Nope, nope, nope. Miss Antoinette, number 1, done. And she's linked down below, of course. I'm putting the cracker back in the box too. I'm going to put that on the tree, but I've got to finish decorating the tree first, which I'm going to go and do now. Ooh. 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 Sparkle, sparkle, magpie. So what's tomorrow? There's like oodles of these. Whack.